Hi, it's Miss Morris here, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about design technology GCSE, why it's a great option, and why we think you should choose it. Um, okay, so why is design and technology important? It's fundamental to the future of our planet, we think, as a subject. That's because you can learn about environmental design and good design. And good design is important to the future of our planet because we need to create resources that are sustainable and recyclable so that we can counteract environmental concerns we have going forward. Good design improves lives. I mean, if you think about it, everything around you has been designed. This pencil, for example, is a classic piece of design that we kind of forget about. You've got the piece of lead going through the middle. It's incredibly easy to sharpen. Anyone can use it. A really good piece of design. And we've got a picture on this slideshow of the Baylis radio, which is a radio that can be used by being wound up. Okay, so you don't need batteries, which has been really helpful in the developing world or in emergencies where people don't have access to power. They can still get information over their radio. So as I say, design and technology is a really crucial subject. And in fact, in this country, there is a shortage of engineers, and DT can really lead to a career in something like that. In design technology, you learn to solve problems. We have something called the iterative design process. So we take a problem, we design a solution, we see if that works, and then we design an improvement, and then we test it to see if that works, and then we try again, and the cycle completes like that. It's great for careers in design, obviously, design technology. It can develop your imagination and creativity. Problem solving in DT is very important. Also, design and technology is where maths and science meet a practical outcome. So we take your learning from subjects like maths and science and we apply it into the real world and create real world solutions to real world problems. We develop your ICT skills, CAD/CAM, which is computer aided design, and we will develop your technical skills and your workshop skills. Okay, so you will be using the machinery in the workshop also. How is the course assessed? 50% of it is assessed on a written exam, which is where we test your theoretical knowledge. So there is theoretical learning in DT. So we learn about maths and we learn about science and the properties of materials and things like that. And you will be tested on that knowledge at the end of the course, and that makes up 50%. And 50% is coursework, and that's the NEA. Okay. Now the NEA, what that is, that's your coursework, and here you can see a picture example of some coursework. What you are given is a problem or an idea, and you then have to find a client, and that can be someone you live with, and then you have to create an item or an object or a product that person can use, and you have to kind of come up with design ideas, you have to research around that product, and then you have to make the product. And so here on this page, you can see a student is working through some different design ideas and about the product they've made. But before this student, will have researched different types of toy boxes. They will have thought about what the needs are, and they might have thought about, so let's say this is made out of wood, they might have thought about what different types of wood they could use, or could they have made it out of something else? How could it be sustainable? Things like that. And here you can see a student that is making a chair, and they're researching. This is a research page where they're looking at all different types of chair and the different materials they've been made out of. And so design technology can lead to a range of careers like engineering, robotics, architecture, gaming, fashion, electronics, and so forth. Now, alongside this presentation, we have also added in a video where you can hear from some real world designers as to how DT helped them in their career. So please watch that also. Thank you so much.